Today we're at Nashua High School at their Auto CTE program, presenting to 4 different classrooms. We were joined by Bess Ford, their shop foreman, parts manager, marketing manager, as well as Ford Motor Company, and they brought some cool vehicles to showcase for the kids.
We're talking to the students kind of about the Ford Asset Program with NHADA, our buddy Adam, and also Ford with Amanda, and kind of giving the kids a little bit of opportunity to see what is their goal in the automotive. If you work for us for 3 years, we give you like a $5,000 Matco tool set. These guys were kind of jealous when they came in. They're nice tools. Obviously the kids have been really interested. It kind of makes you happy when they're like, hey, listen, I wasn't really thinking about this, but they told me in the hallway, Raul and Adam, that we kind of inspired them a little bit to look into it a little bit further, which kind of, that's the reason why we're here.
All these programs are right here in New Hampshire for you. They're great costs, and you come out certified with an associate's degree and certified with that manufacturer.
You guys are going to be our next backbone. You guys are the tech savvy ones, right?
You're the future.
Yeah,